Yeah, yeah. Let's get it.
Go to Walmart. You're gonna go to Walmart and you're gonna get you one of these lingerie mesh laundry bags. You don't want to get a big giant one. You want something kind of small. This one here is 15 by 18 inches big, and it was less than $1.50, so it's worth it, guys. Go get you one of these. And what you're gonna do, let's get that fucker open. All right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up your mesh bag. You can see it's not very big, so you don't want it too big because then your hats don't stay in one place, and that's how you fuck them up, by putting them in the washing machine. So this is one of my most prized hats, this Superman hat, and it's one I wear all the time, but it's starting to get sweaty in here and stinky, so I know I need to wash it. So what you do is you're going to take your hat, your New Era caps, and you're going to fold it like it was when it was brand new, when you bought it off the shelf. You're going to fold this part in, okay? And you're going to get 4 or 5 hats. So I'm going to take the next one. This is my New York Knicks hat. Anyway, stack them all together just like that. I got 5 hats there. I'm going to take these 5 hats, and you're going to put them inside the bag. Looks like we could actually put a couple more hats on there. So I'm gonna take my Texas hat. It's old too. They all probably need to be washed. Fold it up. Put it in there. So that's 6 hats. This is my old Oklahoma City hat. It's got a Durant's number on it. Number 35 right there, so that's the only reason I'm keeping it, because it's got Durant on it. I'll put it in there. So I wear a size 8, and that is 7 hats, folks. So I got 7 hats in there. They're not going to come, if you try to pull on them, they don't come apart very good, so they're going to stay pretty much in that shape while they're in the washing machine. All right, guys, once you got your hats placed into the mesh laundry bag, go to your washer. Open it up, place them in the washer with the top side of the cap to the outside tub. This way, whenever it spins out, it won't bend your hat backwards and fuck it all up. Next, pour in your soap. After you put the soap in, go ahead and shut the door. You're going to make sure all your settings are set to cold. Extra light soil level, cold wash temp, cold wash. And then I'm going to do 1 rinse on mine with the auto sensing water level, and then I'm going to hit start. Make sure you put them in there by themselves, folks. Don't put anything else in there with them. All right, guys, so I went and got my hats out of the washer. Here they are. They're pretty much still in the same place they were. They're just wet now. So you can see, let's take them out of this bag so I can show you. You see they're a little wrinkled on top. This is my favorite one. They pretty much stay together inside that bag, and that's what you want. You know, they're gonna be a little bit wrinkled in some spots, but I'm gonna show you the next step. I got my fan on over there. You can hear it blowing. I got it blowing towards my bed right there. So what I'm gonna do is, next you're gonna take your hats, and you're gonna take each one of them, just check the shape of it out. If it's an older hat and it feels a little soft to you, you can go ahead and spray some starch on the brim and on the rest of the hat, shape it out, and when it dries, it'll dry stiffer than it was before. But I don't have any problems with these hats when they dry. So what you want to do is just kind of put them into the shape that you want. I got the fan blowing on the bed, and then I'm going to place them up on the bed just like that. But as you can see, this one's been washed, but look how the bill's not all fucked up. If you were to throw that in the washer by itself, you're almost guaranteed you'll screw that deal up. So just take them all out, look at them, shape them like you want. This one I wear curved up a little bit. It's a little bigger hat, runs big on me. But you can see they're not all screwed up. This one I run with a little upwards curve on it too. I wear it on my bike sometimes, so wind blows it upwards. But yeah, they're not all screwed up. Lay them flat. I wear them flat, so I'm gonna lay them all flat on the bed here. This is my favorite one. I'm gonna set them like I want, lay them on the bed, and let the fan take care of the rest and dry them, and they'll be good as new. They'll be clean. No more dirty sweat on the inside headband, and no more zits or acne breakouts. So, hey, if you guys love to wear these hats, you gotta wash them. Keep them clean, man. Keep them clean. Keep those zits off your face. So, hope you guys like this video. We'll see you on the next one.